What's the meaning of center back? Center back. Center back.
Center back. Center back. Center back is a term used in soccer to refer to one of the defensive positions on the field. The center back typically plays near the goal and is responsible for marking opposing players and preventing them from scoring. They are also tasked with initiating attacks and distribution of the ball from the back. Center backs need to possess good physical strength, height, speed, and excellent positional awareness. They are often considered the backbone of a team's defense, and their performances can greatly impact the outcome of a game.